Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing a card with you all. This is the card and I will show it to you in detail, of course. But first I want to show you the paper because this is Dapper. Dapper by Holtz, and I really love this paper. It's a masculine themed paper, and so I thought I'd share that with you. It is relatively recent, but not too recent, I think. I think it's 2017 perhaps, the collection, or 16-17. And what I like about these in general is the way these pads are built up. So you have the 12 by 12 inch sized papers, just the regular ones, and they are all double-sided. But they also have, let me show you the atmosphere here of this pad. But what they also always have is these 6 by 6 inch papers. All of the Holtz pads have those, and there are several, and all double-sided. So there's almost an entire 6 by 6 inch pad in these 12 by 12 inch packs, and they come with ATCs, so 3 by 4 inches, although these are the square ones, so these are the 3 by 3 inches. So they have square ones for the pocket journalers among you, and then here are the ATCs, the 3 by 4s, and also double-sided. So that is really, really lovely with all of these packs. So I'm not sponsored, guys. I am genuinely a fan of the Holtz paper lines. So they all have this, and I thought I'd show you this one because this is, as I said, more of a masculine theme, by which I mean the darker blues, darker browns, all of these vintage colors, although Holtz packs always have these vintage colors, and they have 36 papers in each stack. So, onto the card. So, a grungy atmosphere overall, and if we slowly zoom in a bit to the top of the card, we can see a metal corner in the left top, and we can see a chipboard element. And that is from a Prima Marketing collection, of which I forgot the name, so I will put it in frame right now. You can also see some flat back pearls and blings. So there's 2 on the left of the chipboard element and 2 on the right of the chipboard element. Now zooming out again, underneath the pair of compasses you can see one of the Dapper collection's ATC cards. So this one has an alphabet in sort of a newspaper font, which I decoratively fastened with some washi tape, also by Holtz. So there's one on the top and one on the side of that ATC card. Now looking at the bottom half of the card, we can see some flowers. So the large one and also the smaller one, both are by Prima Marketing. And underneath those flowers there's a clock bread, which is by Scrapberries. Now I also did a die cut that I stamped, and the die cut also comes with some embossing, so it's sort of a label die cut, and it says knuffels, which is hugs in Dutch, so I stamped that with some dark blue ink, and then I added it to some rectangular cardstock, so there's a piece of cardstock underneath it. And I distressed that, which I did to all of the papers this time. For that I used a Prima Marketing distress tool, which I'll put in frame right now. So as you can see, all of the papers that I used, well, almost all, so there's 2 basic layers and also the small rectangular piece, are all distressed with this tool, which is why I did not use any distress ink this time. Okay, so on to the inside of the card. We see an ATC card in the middle, so that is the journaling spot, or the spot to write your message. And if we slowly zoom in to the bottom half of the inside of the card, we can see in the lower back corner a chipboard piece and a little angel, which is a charm that I had in my stash. And on the right hand corner you can see a die cut that I did with some conchs, and I die cut that from a piece of design paper from the Dapper collection. Now on the ATC card I again used the washi tape. There are two pieces on the left and on the right underneath the conch die cut. Now moving on to the top half of the inside of the card, we see a button and a little starlet and another button and a metal dot. So not an enamel dot but a metal dot. In short, all kinds of nice decorations that are not feminine because I had to avoid any flowers or bows or ribbons, etc. Now as for the back of the card, I simply chose a lovely collage patterned paper from the Dapper collection, and I love these collage papers. And we're back. So that was the card, a lovely masculine colored card, and well, these have many uses. I hope you enjoyed this design, and I used the Holtz Dapper stack, especially the 6x6 inch and the 3x4 inch pieces. So yeah, just a tip. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys, and I will see you next week. Bye bye!